Yeah. Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
And up to match 13. Blue Line scoring 1 L4. Energy Hero scoring 1 L4. Energy Hero is going to get for another L4. High Voltage getting in for another L2. Blue Line scoring another L4. Energy Hero is going for another L4. It's 36-23. Red Alliance taking the lead. Moving into Teleoff. Ally Obsession heading over to the blue side of the field to play some defense. Steel Talons getting some coral to score on their reef. Energy Heroes lining up to score some coral on the L4. Their partners and High Energy trying to get some algae off. Cavbots moving around trying to get some coral. Steel Talons lining up to score some coral on their L4. Energy Heroes doing the same. High Voltage getting some coral from their human intake. Meanwhile, Steel Talons making another L4. Cavbots trying to line up. It's 53-55. Neck and neck at 141. High Voltage scoring an L3. Energy Heroes lining up for another L4. They make it. Steel Talons lining up for an L4. Ooh, it falls a little short. Cavbots trying to get another lineup. Meanwhile, Energy Heroes getting another L4 L3 scored by High Voltage. It's Steel Talons removing some algae, heading up to the bar to score it in. Do they make it? They do. It's 62-85. Minute and 15 seconds. Energy Heroes getting another L4. High Voltage getting another L2 scored on there. Meanwhile, Rocketeers coming back to play some defense. Ally Obsession trying to play some defense against Cavbots. Steel Talons trying to remove some algae from their reef. High Voltage does it the same. Steel Talons scores an algae into their barge. Energy Heroes lining up to score an L4. It's 80-96, 50 seconds. Steel Talons scoring another algae on the barge. Cavbots trying to line up to score another coral on the reef. Landing up in the L3. High Voltage does the same on the L3. Energy Heroes lining up in L4. Steel Talons misses on this barge. Steel Talons going to go again for another algae on the barge. It's 86-114. 30 seconds remaining. Energy Heroes lining up to get another L2. They do. High Voltage swimming around, getting ready for the climb. Cavbots trying to get more coral from their human intake. Less than 20 seconds remaining. Steel Talons lining up to get a climb. Ally Obsession getting in for the park. High Voltage is up in the air. Energy Heroes lining up to get a climb. They're up in the air. Rocketeers is in the park. Cavbots trying to get some last-minute coral pieces. It's 109-117. An L3 is scored. They come into the barge. They're parked. That's the end of the match. And a close one. And we have our second finalist. The Red Alliance win this one. They move on to play in the finals in the upper bracket with a score of 146 versus 129. Let's give a round of applause to the Blue Alliance for an exhilarating performance and match.